Good evening, Dave Snyder here. It is the 18th night of May 2015, and I just want to point out something that happened yesterday. I already tried to make a video, but it didn't turn. Something happened down here, so I want to point this out. What was up on the weather satellite yesterday? I don't know if anybody's seen it, but it was yesterday. Let's see, 17th. Most of the day. Let's see, started at. Okay, let's just take a look and see what we have here at 7 a.m. on the 17th, right? We see a pattern starting to form here. A nice pattern. Well, it's pretty well deformed in the morning at 7 a.m., right? Okay, well, it gets a little bit better as it goes through the day a little bit. Oh, look at that. See that spot? That was nice. See, but they're not showing us something there. Keeps yeah, I'm going to turn the radar off and hold on a second. So we got that there at 8 o'clock, and I'm just going to turn the radar off, or the satellite off, see what that radar. Yeah, look at that. Oh shit, what the hell? Wow, that's pretty serious. That's big time. Okay, so we see that there was some serious weather going on right here at this very time, at this very moment. You see the big spot right there. And I know probably people think, oh, that's horrible, it's horrible. Okay, but it may be, maybe it is, but I'm just saying, let's turn the satellite back on. You can see that there. I don't know people that live in the area, I'm sure, have heard what happened there. There was something big happened yesterday, and I haven't even looked at the news to see what it is, but I can see it already in the weather. Because what they did in the weather was they turned off they hit. Okay, so we got 9. Weather's normal. Let's get up to 12 or 10. Okay, 12. It starts to get bigger right here. See this area? Come on. Okay, see how it's starting to. This part's starting to break up a little bit. And then we get up here. Let me just point out that last year you would have seen the big circular pattern here, right here. See this where Schrodinger is? This is where Schrodinger print would be, right here in this spot. Where you see this just white. They're totally trying to hide it. Okay, so 1 o'clock. I think this is the last hour of it right here. This is the last hour of this pattern. And then Schrodinger should be a perfect circle right here, I think. I don't think it's right here. I think it's right here. They just showed it as a big white spot now instead of the right. I don't know. It could be right there. It should be right here. Anyways, try not to make too long a story here. 2 o'clock comes around, and bam! No, not 2 o'clock. I guess it was 3 o'clock. Okay, so 2 o'clock is the last hour of the weather. It's pretty well defined in this picture, you can see, and there's no green over here. No green. You see no green in the radar or the satellite right here off the east coast, right? Okay, so the next hour comes 3 o'clock, an hour later. And this is what we get, and this is and now you can see there's the green pattern right here off the east coast. You can see there's the Great Lakes, and off the east coast there's this green and yellow pattern right here. And then just for the next 20 hours, the satellite is like this because it's hiding something. It's not a glitch, and it is not maintenance, and it is not something broken down. It's them hiding a pattern that's right behind this spot, and it looks okay, so when it finally stopped 20 hours later, we'll just bring it up straight up to the 18th. Why even look at all this crap that they're hiding? It goes on for 20 hours. I counted the hours. It's 20 hours. Okay, so now we're at, let's see, the 18th. Go back to this morning when it shut off. I think it was still like that at 10 a.m. I think. Let's see. Yep, look at that. 10 o'clock this morning was still like that. 11? Oh, okay, 11 it comes back. Okay, so at 11 o'clock, when we get to see the pattern again, the normal satellite pattern, or not necessarily normal, we see the center with the big circular pattern here. Well, I can assure you that this was more defined over the past 20 hours than it shows right here in this spot. And now we got this nice pattern here, but that's it. But you know that was, whoever went through all that weather yesterday, that was serious weather. And I don't even know. I haven't seen the news, but I could just tell by looking at what they were hiding. It had to be. There had to be. I'm going to look at the news and see what happened. But I don't even have to look at the news. I can already tell. There was some big weather yesterday, and they were hiding it. Why? I mean, why would the satellite go down on a crucial day like that? I know. I'm telling you, I don't even have to look at the news, but I'm gonna. And I know that you guys had serious weather over on the East Coast, all up and down, from north to south. I know you did. And there's still people feeling it right now, going through it right now. So, anyways, I'll even upload this video before I check. Anyway, that's it. Just want to point that out. I mean, that's definitely hiding weather there. Seriously, big time. All right, everybody have a great evening. Just when you see that, that's what they're doing. Just know that.